Hey y'all, Heather here. Want to share with you something that we are super excited about. So, we've been having kind of end of year planning and so forth and debriefing with our team, and we came across a couple of things that we found to be super interesting. A lot of the folks that we have been messaging with or talking to or whatever are brand new to selling online, an e-commerce sales channel. And we thought, oh my God, we're such idiots. What a great opportunity to really help people. So, that's what we're doing. We are launching the first week of January, the Lightning Case Study Group. And here's the deal, okay? So it's limited to just 5 suppliers, right? Just 5 suppliers. And FYI, we already have 3 spots filled right now. So please, if you're interested, jump in. And you need to just comment below to do that. This is an 8-week program. We're going to have weekly trainings and weekly coaching calls. So, how do you know if it's right for you? Well, if you want to sell online and you don't know how, you want to talk about how to sell to big internet retailers like maybe it's Wayfair or Walmart or Amazon or whoever. This is for you, and you just don't know where to start. What we're going to do is teach you how to become a supplier for one of these larger internet retailers, help you decide what accounts are right for you, help you make sure your products pass the 3-second test, and we're going to help you set your pricing. We'll help you create your account proposals so that they go right to a buyer's inbox, not sitting there like in some automated, system that you're just going in with everybody else. We're going to also help you manage your inventory, and all of this has step-by-step tutorials and trainings and a live weekly call for coaching. Okay, so that's it. Now, I'm sure you're going, okay, well, I'm sure there's a price attached. Well, there is, but it's super affordable. This is a $1,500 program, but because of it being kind of a odd year, we are reducing the price temporarily. It's going to be, the cost is $997 if you enroll by December 23rd. So we hope you do. Like I said, we got 2 spots left, and we want you to come and be part of the party. Okay, thanks everybody. Hope that we get to see ya. Bye.